My name is Irene Muray from the Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital, Eldoret, where I work as a principal nursing officer in charge of patient movement. I deal mainly with the movement, especially of emergency clients, and I've been working there for the last 19 years. I'm also a strategic manager, and I was so privileged to have attended this training. And I'm so glad that I was able to get some new knowledge which was not captured in our training, and that is on the areas of good governance and issues to do with audits. I was so glad, and I really thank the organizers for giving us that opportunity to attend. Oh, satisfaction. I'm so satisfied with this workshop. I think it met my expectations. I feel time was not wasted. I've learned something from this. Yes, attending more training with FINET. In fact, I would wish, with the permission of my employer, if possible, I will attend also the training that is scheduled to take place from the 20th to 24th in Uganda. Okay, my key takeaways is on, I've learned a lot about good governance, and more so I'm now able to interpret the opinions that are usually in our scheme, especially the auditor's opinion. I think I had no clue in the first place, but now I know something about it. Mostly the composition and then the key speakers. I think they were well selected, and I like the fact that from the word go, we began with team building. So while we came now for the training, we had already interacted enough, and we were able to proceed on well.